Welcome back, everybody. It's Big Al. I've got a challenge lock in the vise called Spider-Man, Peter Parker. It's from Steel Pinnings. I have not tried this one yet. I just got two awesome packages from I got one from Squint and one from Steel Pinnings, and obviously this one is from Mr. Steel Pinnings. And here's the bidding on the key right there. Doesn't look too horrifying, but honestly, I've picked some of his locks before, and he can stick it to you. It does work like butter. Very well done. I mean, it feels like it hasn't been messed with at all, to be honest with you. It feels real nice. Very nice. Okay, and it is obviously a Schleg. Well, I was going to turn this on. Let's see if I can real quick. Alright, timer. I'm going to drop my little shotgun thing in the bottom there and probably go with top of the keyway if I can find my tension wrench. Where'd it go? Oh, we got more. Let's try this one. Okay, we'll go with that. Alright, we'll get this timer going just in case. Sometimes I lose, well, actually all the time, I lose track of time real freaking easy. Okay, try going clockwise, I guess. If that don't work, we'll flip it. Get a little feel for it real quick. Feels like 4's binding for sure. Not too much up front. Yeah, it feels like 4. Might be going all the way through. Yep, so it feels like, I want to say 4, it could be 5. Okay, so let's put some tension on it now and go to town. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Yep, I believe it's 4. Got a little baby click off of it. I don't know if that's all I wanted. Okay, coming back out, I think it's 3. Got some counter. Got a little click there. Coming back out. 2, little baby click. 1, same thing. Well, let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna switch to this other Sparrows. It's just I call it the low rise. I don't know what they're technically called. It's just a slight rise to it. Make sure I feel good on 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let the games begin. So now it feels like, well, wait a minute. Might have something right here. I think it's 3 again. Yep, I believe so. Alright. 2, a little more. 1, a little more on 1. I don't know if that's counter or if I'm making it do that with the pick, but I'll give it a shot. Yep, a little bit more on 1. 2 feels set. 3 feels set. 4. Oh, there we go. Boom. Touch 5 and we got it. Freaking awesome. Okay. Get this little dude out the bottom here. Back the camera a little bit. A lot of bit. Let's see what we got up in Spider-Man. It's pretty cool. He's even got the spider webs on the front. I hope it's picking that up pretty good. Really cool. Really cool, man. Okay, bring the camera down. Right about here. Be alright for a minute. And which one's on top? We got red on top. Bada boom, bada bang. Alright, where we at? Right there. Okay. We've got, okay, it's very much open. I got a key, so I'm going to lock it back up. Some Phillips screws. Yeah, I've got my got my hands full right now with these locks. Like I said, Squint and Steel Pinnings just recently sent me quite a bit. Very freaking cool of them. I will be making, I have a couple that I made about 2 weeks ago, and I will be making a couple more since I've just bought some brand new cylinders to make challenge locks with. So I will be getting some brand new stuff out there pretty soon, out into the community. See if I can get that in there. There's a top right there. Uh-oh. Yeah, buddy. Oh, we got it. So yeah, I'll be getting, like I said, I'll be getting some new, some fancy new stuff out there pretty quick. Alright. 5-pinner, all occupied. And they all needed picking. Real nice. Real nice. Get them laid out here. Picking Peter Parker, huh? That's alright. If these turned around here, let me see. That was right. This one's not. That one's not. Okay, let me set that down, get my specs on. Because honestly, the camera sees this stuff better than I do with my reading glasses on. Alright, checking the core. We've got all standard. No mods to the core. Well played, sir. Sometimes less is more, buddy. Okay, going upstairs. Let's see what Peter Parker has in store for us here. Oh boy, nicely kind of spooled almost. Almost. Serrated, almost spooled. Number 2 is a nice long spring, I'll tell you that. And again, it's kind of like a almost spooled serration. I guess if that's a thing. I don't know. I'm making it up as I go along, I guess. And another, yeah, lightly serrated, I'll call that one. Different spring. This one's not lightly serrated. This one's nice and deep. Yep. Little spring. And last but not least, another, I guess, like a double serrated in 5. And the last spring looks like a copper or brass, whatever those are made out of. And upstairs, I'm guessing nothing's done. Upstairs, nope, no mods to the Bible. Okay, beautiful. Excuse me, less is more. Less is more. So that was Spider-Man from Steel Pinnings. I'm going to put his logo on top. And get my little pointer and bring the camera flat down so we can look at these straight on. Okay. Spider-Man, Peter Parker from Steel Pinnings. Thank you so much, buddy, for sending this my way. I highly appreciate it. What comes around goes around. You know that. You get zoomed a little bit here. Okay. We've got a single serration on the top of key pin 1, a multi-serrated in 2, triple serrated in 3, single serration in 4, and call that almost spooled like in 5 with serrations on the top. And then drivers, we've got, like I said, it almost looks spoolish. It's just not real deep. This one here, we'll call that serrated. Triple serrated in 3. spool. Trying to see if that's got a serration on the end. I think it does on a spool, and then a double serrated in 5. And the springs, they do vary. I got like a steel, yep, sticking to it. So it's a steel, copper, copper, steel, copper looks like. Awesome, really fun, awesome. Okay, Big Al signing off.